This skill video will show you how to perform various road tests in an ARFF apparatus. Each department should develop an established route that drivers/operators should follow to complete this skill. This route should cover all of the usual driving conditions that can be expected within that jurisdiction. For ARFF responders, this route is typically limited to the confines of the airport. You should complete this skill while wearing appropriate personal protective equipment. Perform 4 left turns. Perform 4 right turns. Drive along a straight section of an urban business street or 2-lane rural road at least 1 mile in length. Drive along 1 through intersection and 2 intersections where a stop must be made. Drive around 1 curve, either left or right. Drive under 1 underpass or a low clearance bridge.